In the wood shop, and he's
There's our indicator.
He needs some.
So we'll try a
He lost them.
we'll try a smaller piece at the start, and then we'll use like a little bit of a bigger piece after.
Oh, the switch!
It's kind of chilly.
That like created them like make
Okay, we're good to go. All right, so we got some sodium, we got our alkali metal. We'll see what happens. Woo! Got a little fireball.
It's on fire. It's in the water.
So the water turned different color.
Yeah.
Yeah, got a chemical change.
Indicator in there.
It means it's going.
What's the indicator that you use?
Oh!
Hey.
All right!
That was awesome. Oh no!
Let's go bigger. Go bigger.
Let's do more!
Just grab all the sodium.
Yeah,
that one's at least take a little bit.
All right, we'll try a sample that's a little bit bigger. We'll see what happens. This morning, the bigger piece didn't explode at all. The bigger piece just fizzled longer. So,
Is it really soft?
Is it really
If
soft?
you like were to mash it up and like increase the surface area, would that?
Maybe.
Like clay.
Let's see. So Mike just said we should increase the surface area so that more of the metal is exposed to the water.
Maybe that'll.
Maybe we'll get more of that hydrogen gas coming off.
I'm so excited.
You want the boom, right?
So excited!
All right. Here we go.
It's gonna blow.
Oh!
That